5 daily habits that will help you manifest your goals. Whether you set goals for a year out or 5 years out, you meet your goals one day at a time. Setting long-term goals is a vital step to shaping your life for the better, but your daily habits ultimately determine your path. The real secret to success is cultivating good daily habits. Check out these daily habits that successful people use to get a leg up on their goals. Plan at night, prioritize in the morning. A daily to-do list. 1. Helps keep you on track by reminding you of what needs to be done, and 2. Motivates you by giving you a visual at-a-girl for things you've accomplished. What you may not realize is that when you do your planning makes a difference. If you plan out your day the night before, you wake up with a clear idea of what you want, or need, to accomplish with your time. Before you dive in, take a few moments each morning to go over your list and prioritize your tasks so that the most important things get their fair share of attention. Wake up early. Speaking of waking up, do it early. Benjamin Spall, author of My Morning Routine, How Successful People Start Every Morning Inspired, notes that most of the successful people he's interviewed start their mornings before 6 a.m. While they all do different things with their early morning time, work out, go for a walk, take a bath or watch the sunrise, the one thing most have in common is that it's personal time. That hour or two before anyone else is awake lets you indulge yourself without interruption from the kids, coworkers or work emails. Schedule your time. You don't have to get as incremental as Elon Musk, who schedules his days in 5-minute blocks, but creating a schedule helps you avoid the procrastination trap and move from one task to the next. Deciding when you're going to start and stop tasks helps you keep your day on track. Your Passion Planner Daily Scheduler is more than just an appointment calendar. Fill in the blank spaces with your most important tasks and make a commitment to completing those tasks. Make health a priority. Another daily habit that successful people cultivate is prioritizing their health, both mental and physical. Successful people make a conscious decision to stay healthy, and so should you. Make time to be active, work on eating healthy foods and find a practice that helps you relax and enjoy the life you have. Reflect and refresh. Your goals will change as you work on them. Events can derail your plans or speed them up considerably. Your passion roadmap, you do have one, right, isn't static. It should be a living document. When you sit down with your passion planner at the end of each day, spend a few minutes reflecting on what you've accomplished and whether any of your tasks have moved you closer to achieving your goals. If not, adjust as needed. Flexibility is one of the key daily habits for successful people. Finally, and most importantly, be gentle with yourself. You won't be perfect every day. Successful people fall and fail. The trick is that they don't stay down. They pick themselves up, dust off and try again. Every day is a new opportunity to start working toward your goals.